Canada as well as the United States and United Kingdom, but doing or engaging yourself into nursing in the Middle East would be much better rather than working here in the Philippines.
Mas maganda pa rin doon.
Yes, sir.
And I think, sir, meron din kasing mga...
It's a higher competition.
Meron din atang hospitals operated by the USA.
US companies.
Yes, sir.
US companies.
So yung standards nila higher.
Oo.
Yes, sir. And it doesn't require a big money or processing fee to go to the Middle East.
Yun kasi talaga.
Knowing the people in the citizens of those countries in the Middle East, hindi sila masyadong keen to working, di ba?
Yes, sir. But
kasi subsidized sila by government
It's a sad fact to note, sir, that one problem or major problem is the safety and security of nurses.
Dahil nga yung mayroong problema konti dun sa behavior ng mga tao. Ang Japan, I saw sa CNN, finicture yung Japan ilang percent yung ang tatanda na. So, ang sinasabi ng commentator, isa sa, baka mapapalitan nga daw ang US as place for nurses.
I heard about that, sir. One of our level coordinator or alumni coordinator in San Pedro College gave us offer us about work in Japan, but it was actually directed to those female nurses. Most of the Japanese opt to
it was mentioned
to be with female nurses in Japan.
Oh, okay.
The compensation was quite good.
Quite good, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay, so I think we have to go to our main agenda for tonight.
Perfectly.
Or for today, which is mga kaibigan, is the second Mindanao Nursing Summit. So, it's very good that meron tayong Mindanao-wide Nursing Summit. And again, it offers opportunities for Mindanao people or Mindanaoans, no, in the field of nursing to be highlighted and promoted once more. So, can you discuss now ano itong Mindanao, the second Mindanao Nursing Summit?
Second Mindanao Nursing Summit is the biggest and the grandest nursing event here in Mindanao for the year 2013. It was actually organized by the Southern Philippines Medical Center, sir. It is spearheaded from the first Mindanao Nursing Summit, which was conducted last year, summer last year, held at the Davao Convention Center. And now it will be held in the Marco Polo Davao on March 11 and 12, 2013.
And what's good in this second summit is it coincides with the Araw ng Davao.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
So it offers a lot more for the participants.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Parang double whammy ka. Attend ka na ng nursing event, attend ka pa ng Araw ng Davao.
Yes, sir.
So the summit offers educational and professional sessions that will elevate your nursing practice. This is also a venue for nurses in Mindanao to acquaint themselves with each other and share notes and in the different fields they are working with. So this is an opportunity also for the sponsors or the different pharmaceutical companies who wanted to showcase their products and show it and show their support to the nursing leaders who will be attending this summit.
With this year's theme, sir, reigniting our passion and profession, engaging and empowering nurses as builders of healthcare would really illuminate the ways of nurses here in Mindanao as well as in the Philippines and globally. This will inspire transformation of nurses to be updated with the various topics in nursing, various issues and other concerns comes along with the nursing field. As a matter of fact, sir, this summit doesn't offer only acquaintance or the typical
social
social endeavor or social activities, but this yes, sir. This second Mindanao Nursing Summit would offer the best 12 plenary sessions to nurses to be knowledgeable about various fields of nursing, allow me to share with you about the topics on the essential and forensic science, which is an essential tool for nurses to be globally competent. Another one is the Cybercrime Act and Reproductive Health Bill, implications to nursing practice, which is dynamically or ideally nurses should get aware with this. And as a matter of fact also, sir, these topics will be discussed by the various top of the line people or personalities, not only in the field of nursing but as well as in our government and international healthcare leaders, sir.
So,
well, napansin ko kanina dito, Aloha, yung sa plenary session 8, the rise of the hospice and palliative care.
So this is actually parang trend na siya. In some countries like Singapore, the hospice and palliative care is a special unit. They really focus on giving the training nurses for the hospice and palliative care. So they give this
subspecialty na ito.
Oo, sir.
Sir.
Actually, this is for cancer patients who are actually the medical treatment is already maximized na, and all they can do is give them the hospice.
Ryan, you mentioned about people. Who are these people? Pwede natin i-share sa yung mga guest ninyo, magsasalita.
We have our guest speaker, Senator Aquilino Pimentel, and Honorable Aquilino Pimentel will be the keynote speaker talking about the various concerns in nursing, various issues, as well as updates in nursing when it comes updates in updates by the government when it comes to the nursing field.
Government policy vis-a-vis the nursing care. Then
we have Professor Sulita Colas Munsod, Professor Emeritus of the University of the Philippines. Another one is Senator Miriam Defensor, who will be discussing the Cybercrime Act and Reproductive Health Bill, implications to the...
Baka mapapagalitan kayo ni Miriam. Again, Ryan, excuse me, but we have to have a quick break again bago natin ituloy yung discussion on the resource persons thing.
Holcim Philippines Incorporated, driven by enduring corporate values, is committed to undertake community services to the people of Davao City and neighboring areas. These community services are livelihood projects aimed at providing sources of income to beneficiaries, confidence building designed to extend training to volunteers, involvement in programs to protect and preserve the Davao River watershed, and giving assistance to victims of calamities. Holcim, where social responsibility is a corporate commitment.
If you're looking for a hotel that cares for your total sophistication, friendly and inviting atmosphere, this is it. Nestled in the heart of Davao City, Hotel Uno provide utmost comfort and excellent service ideal for businessmen, travelers, families, and friends. Wake up to the side of the majestic Mount Apu or the Davao Gulf and feel the symphony of cultures that is Davao. Just remember, whatever your agenda may be, make Hotel Uno Davao your home away from home. Hotel Uno features the following amenities. For inquiries, please visit us at CM Recto Street beside Lawaan Theater, or you may call us at 286-4461.
Meet the Hyundai brand of vehicles: Accent, Elantra, Sonata, Starex, Azera, Tucson, H100. Hyundai gives customers a wider range of automobile options. Hyundai vehicles usher in a fresh change and driving perspective with a smooth, flowing design. Be lifted from the ordinary. Set your driving spirit free with Hyundai vehicles. Hyundai vehicles, exclusively distributed by Bonifacio Motors, Barrio Pampanga, Davao City.
No doubt, you can indulge in a grand getaway every day. Live up to the authentic resort living at Amia Resort Residences, located at Libre Road, Buan, Davao City. It feels like you've traveled across the seas the moment you step out of your home. No surprise that everything leaves you feeling relaxed. Here at Amia, health and wellness are all yours, along with gardens that soothe and calm your senses. There will never be a dull moment here at Amia. With the satisfying and complete facilities, you'll have more than 1,000 different things to do. In Amia, everything is yes. Experience the true essence of resort living. Be at Amia Resort Residences.
Mamay Inn, suitable for travelers and transient guests. It's a 5-minute drive to the airport and accessible to public transportation with very affordable room rates. Every room is air-conditioned and with LCD TV with free Wi-Fi spot. Mamay Inn, Barangay Ang Leongdo, Davao City. For inquiries, call 305-5936 or 0999-1934-893.
Back to Pambansang Dialogue o National Dialogue here at the TV show of Airtime of my cousin Danny Dayanghirang, Danny's on Air. So our guests are still the marketing people or nurses doing marketing for their event, the second Mindanao Nursing Summit. So Ryan, you're talking about the details of it a while ago about yung mga resource persons at saka yung topic. And you may proceed.
We also have the essentials of forensic science to be discussed by Dr. Raquel B. Del Rosario Fortun. We also have the safety of infusion therapy to be discussed by the chief nurse of the University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital, Ma'am Cecilia G. Pena, RNMAN. Another one is
Mr. Paul Chang, Managing Director for Asia Pacific. He will be discussing the International Essentials Framework. So on the second day of the event, it will be started by Maria Euphemia Yap from the Associate Dean of the Ateneo School of Medicine and Public Health. So with the topic, Making Hospitals Safer and Driving Force for Community Health.
Another one is expanding the role of nurses advanced practice in the Philippines, to be discussed by the President of the University of the Philippines Honor Society of Nursing, Dr. Josefina A. Tuazon.
So another is by Dr. Rojim J. Sorosa. He will discuss the rise of hospice and palliative care in nursing. So as he is also the head of the hospice and palliative care in Southern Philippines Medical Center.
A professor of theology at the Ateneo de Davao University named Mr. Lunar Tan Failoga will be discussing the spirituality in the healthcare environment. Well, in fact, nurses should be equipped not only with knowledge, skills, and the attitude, but as well as the spirituality as well.
So actually, there is also a topic, but we would not mention it because
It's not yet sure.
yeah, not yet sure. And so to continue the preparedness, so Mr. Enrique Tayag, the Assistant Secretary of the Department of Health, will discuss.
Oh, the dancing assistant secretary?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He will discuss the preparedness and challenges in emerging infectious diseases.
And lastly, sir, for the day 2, we have ending nurses to nurse hostility, why nurses eat their young, to be discussed by the Vice President for Nursing and the Chief Nursing Officer of St. Luke's Medical Center, Dr. Annabel R. Borromeo.
Mukhang talagang loaded itong mga resource persons
Yes, sir.
ninyo. Tsaka the topics are very relevant and very technical na the nursing practitioner should know about and learn more, no?
Yes.
Alam naman ninyo ito, may mga basic na ganyan, but if you have somebody, for example, Dr. Fortune, kilalang kilala sa buong bansa yan.
Yes, sir.
You love to listen to Dr. Fortune and learn a lot. Not only theoretically, but in practice, yung
Yes,
forensic
sir.
nursing.
Exactly.
Diba? Very important ang role ninyo dyan. And, magkano naman yung in terms of registration, paano sila magbabayad, paano sila mag-avail, yung mga nurses natin?
Registration, sir, is cost-effective. I think, or we believe in Southern Philippines Medical Center that the registration would benefit us the greater knowledge when it comes to nursing.
Yeah, of course.
So,
with the resource persons ninyo.
yes, sir.
Oh.
Actually, the registration started last year. In last January 30, the registration was 2,800. But as of the moment, until February 28, the registration will be 3,000 pesos. And
3,000 pesos.
Yes, sir.
For 2 days, no?
2
Yes,
days,
sir.
sir,
2 days.
including the
What are the inclusions
meals,
here?
So, 2 snacks and 1 lunch per day. So, and also this would be admission to all educational tracks, keynote presentations, the luncheon, admission to the exhibit area, summit bag, lanyard and ID, and a copy of presentation upon request.
And to add on, sir, the registration starting March 1 up to the on-site registration, which will be on March 11 will be 3,500 pesos.
Oh, so yung 3,000 is only good for February 28.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, kahit na 3,500 yan, it's 2 days and it's Marco Polo.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo naman yung pagkain dyan, tsaka yung amenities, no?
City's Premier Hotel.
Oh, yeah. So, meeting Mindanao nurses and maybe people from the Visayas and Luzon also
Yes,
coming over, not only doing socials, linkages, networking, no? Asking about opportunities for employment, but most especially, itong inyong 12 sessions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But these are technical sessions. Hindi ito parang product promotion lang na usual sa mga medical field.
Yes,
no?
sir.
Na mga topics related to certain product. But these are technical really at its strictest sense.
Yes, and these are emerging nursing trends in different countries. So,
Yeah.
for those who are planning to go outside, so these are very helpful topics for
Do you
them.
get certificate here?
Yes, sir.
Certificate of attendance and inclusive in the certificate will be the 12 plenary session.
Meron ba kayong kagaya sa mga doctors yung example yung Family Physicians Academy, yung FPA,
Yung mga groups nila, sir.
yung groups nila
Yes,
meron siyang points, parang gano'n.
The
Kaya,
Philippine
I
Nurses
think
Association.
in the special areas, do you mean the special areas, sir? For example, for the renal nurses or for the dialysis nurse, they have this Renal Nurses Association of the Philippines.
Okay.
So for the
OR.
OR, for the operating room nurses, they also have their
So you have to
group.
comply some standards, kailangan maka-attend ka ng
Yes, sir.
units ba?
Training and certain units and years of experience in that area.
Yeah, so that's part of the continuing education.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Drive. By the way, sinong ating kwan dito? Who will welcome the guest? Is it the mayor or the vice mayor?
So I think that Mayor Rodrigo Duterte Vice Mayor, I think. Vice Mayor already confirmed that he will be attending on the first day of the event.
He will be attending
yes,
the
sir.
first day of the event. Then who will be closing the event?
We have no, cannot name.
Hindi pa, wala pa.
Wala
Pero dun sa inyong association, yung sa SPMC, who is now the current, who is the chairman?
The president or the overall chairperson of the second Mindanao Nursing Summit is the president of the Southern Philippines Medical Center Nurses Association, Mr. Patrick Simon S. Soria, RNMAF.
So, Southern Philippines Medical Center Nurses Association,
formerly Sir Davao Medical Center Nurses Association,
sponsoring the second Mindanao Nursing Summit. Now, it is an association. Well, in the trend of things, somehow, may pinapasukan na rin ba ng mga kanya? Ng mga ibang frame ito, ibang frame. Pinapasukan niya ng mga parang gawin siyang tawag to, yung workers.
Yung parang union?
Parang union? Meron ba?
I think, sir, as of now, that the Southern Philippines Medical Center Nurses Association is working harmoniously with the
management.
With the management. So,
So,
there are no conflicts.
welfare and promotes the rights and responsibilities of nurses in SPMC. They're definitely our shield against the odds.
Well, I cannot help it mentioning yung trabaho ko is in relation to my work. Sometimes nakikita ko yan doon sa mga statements ng people who we are negotiating with that, for example, yung RN Hills.
Yes, sir.
They are criticizing it for whatever reason they find, no? So anyway, so back to the second Mindanao Nursing Summit.
Sir, I wanted to add that the DepEd Advisory number 45 series of 2013. So
DepEd, Department of Education.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
So this is that the participation of both public and private schools shall be subject to the no disruption of classes policy as stipulated in DepEd Order number 9 series of 2005 entitled Instituting Measures to Increase Engaged Time on Task and Ensuring Compliance therewith. So we are actually we would want to encourage the clinical instructors especially to attend this
Second
nursing summit because I think that this would help them.
So the attendance is covered by a DEX advisory.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, DepEd Advisory number 45,
Yes.
series of 2013. And what's the
Another
other?
one, sir, is the Department Circular from the Department of Health, dated January 17, 2013. Department Circular number 2013-0021 to all undersecretaries, assistant secretaries, director of bureaus, Centers for Health Development, Services and Specialty Hospitals, Chief of Medical Centers and Hospitals, President of the Philippine Insurance Corporation, and Executive Directors of Philippine National AIDS Council and Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare, National Nutrition Council, Population Commission, Treatment and Rehabilitation Centers, Local Water Utilities Administration, and other concerns. The subject would be the second Mindanao Nursing Summit of the Southern Philippines Medical Center Nurses Association, which will be held on March 11 and 12, 2013 at the Marco Polo, Davao.
So, that order will allow them...
The attendance to the said activity, whether official time or official business, shall be based on Department Order Number 2007-0053 dated July 13, 2007, which quoted as guidelines on the attendance of conventions, seminars, conferences, and similar human resource development activities outside the Department of Health. So it's gonna be an official time, sir.
Official time nila.
Yes, sir.
So in fact, if it's an official time, you can pay your registration out of your office budget,
Yes, sir.
your per dime, your travel.
Yes, sir.
And it's araw ng Davao.
Yeah.
Yes.
So mga nurses dyan sa mga probinsya,
Yes, sir.
what are you waiting for?
It's a perfect time to celebrate here in Davao City.
Meron bang online registration to?
I
Yes,
think
sir.
we have a
Yeah,
website.
please mention it.
You can contact us for inquiries.
Please contact the Secretariat of the Second Mindanao Nursing Summit. So, telephone number 227-2731, local 4212. Or you can add us up at nursing nsgleadMGT_SPMCNA@yahoo.com. So, nursing lead management. So
we'll ask the technical people to include this in yung lalabas dun sa ilalim nung nagsasalita.
okay, sir.
While we're talking, lalabas doon para
Sir, in addition, the Marco Polo Hotel is also offering a special rates for the participants of this event.
Okay, so ano yung rates na yan?
I think
It's a lesser.
I think it is on everything is on the website. It
Of
is
the
not
Marco Polo.
posted here.
Website of the Marco Polo.
Second Mindanao. Like
Okay.
us on Facebook, just type Second Mindanao Nursing Summit, and then like us on Facebook.
Now, gusto kong balikan, why reigniting? There's some, parang may reigniting, yung theme ninyo is reigniting our passion and profession.
So, sir, we know that being a nurse is sometimes or being just in 1 year span of time na super straight work ka, burn out or so nurses need to reignite or remind themselves or take a break.
Take a break. Para mas when you get out of this nursing summit, parang new energies.
New
Yes, sir.
energy.
No?
Take a break and refuel your determination.
Yeah.
And have a great, be a great nurse.
When you see your acquaintances from different cities in Mindanao, you can share your knowledge, you can share your experiences. So, I think
Yung sinabi niyo kanina about the instructors,
Yes, sir.
dapat sana maimbita sila, paano nila ma-adjust yun sa time nila? Considering tong DepEd advisory na it should be a non-disruption of classes, parang gano'n.
It's
so sir, they can actually coordinate with the school, and then they can send some representatives if who are available.
Sino yung papadala nila?
Yes, sir. And so they can relay the message or the information they gathered.
Anyway, they can request for the presentations, di ba?
Yeah, the copy.
They can have their own forum or workshop doon sa later in their own schools para yung ibang hindi makaten matututo rin.
Sir, to add on, the second Mindanao Nursing Summit is not intended only for registered nurses.
Okay, yun ang
but we
we
are also inviting those student nurses who are eager to reignite.
Wala bang discount to student nurses?
We should consider that. And also, sir, yung mga newly registered nurses.
Oo nga, yung mga bagong nakapasa.
This is additional na rin sa inyong resume.
Hindi lang additional, magagandang topics kasi.
It's a perfect time for them to to start your nursing profession in the real world.
Ewan yung daughter ko, kung baka gusto mag-attend yun.
Sana, sir.
Sana, sir.
So, you can invite again the general public. We start with Ryan.
Once again,
Before we end the show.
thank you, sir. Once again, my name is Ryan, and we are inviting you to attend the second Mindanao Nursing Summit, the grandest nursing encounter in 2013 here in Southern Philippines. Dated on March 11 and 12 at the Marco Polo, Davao. See you there in Davao. See you here in Davao. And experience also our 76th Araw ng Davao. We are close to perfection.
Okay.
Sa lahat po ng nanonood ng National Dialogue, we are all inviting you to attend the second Mindanao Nursing Summit and also get to enjoy Araw ng Davao.
Yeah. So, in behalf of National Dialogue or Pambansang Dialogue and Danis on Air, I'd like to thank our guest, no, for coming over, for guesting,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
sharing
sir.
to this program and to the people of Davao and to other regions of Mindanao, dahil naman lalabas dito sa Facebook or sa YouTube and malalaman rin nila ang contents nito, no? So, hanggang dito na lang at magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Johnny on Air is brought to you in cooperation with Deca Homes Resort Residences, Mamay Inn and Resorts, Hyundai Davao, Amia Resort and Residences, My Hotel, Hemini Land Corporation, Davao City, Life is Here, Davao Light and Avoides Company, Sumifru Philippines Corporation, Holcim Philippines.